Texas homeowners, have you heard that the homestead exemption has been raised to $100,000 in 2024? Let's talk about what that means and how we can get you those amazing tax savings. Hey y'all, this is the Realtor in the greater San Antonio and Austin area, here to talk to you about the importance of making sure that you have your homestead exemption filed this year. Texas legislation has passed a huge raise for the homestead exemption beginning this year in 2024. In previous years, the homestead exemption was $40,000. Now, it's been raised to $100,000. So what that means is whatever your county has your property appraised at, they will now deduct $100,000 from that value, and that is what you will now pay your property taxes off of. So here's an example of how that homestead exemption is going to save you money. So let's pretend you have a home with a county appraised value of $400,000. In an area with a property tax rate of 2.2%. Under the previous homestead exemption, they would reduce their property value to $360,000 due to the homestead exemption only being $40,000. In this example, your yearly property taxes would be $7,920, which would equate to a monthly tax bill of $660 a month. Now, with this new $100,000 homestead exemption credit, the $400,000 property will now only pay taxes on $300,000. So the same home will now only pay $6,600 per year, which equates to only $550 a month, instantly saving you $110 a month. For those of you who haven't filed the homestead exemption, you are overpaying hundreds of dollars a month when you don't have to be. So here are 3 easy steps to make sure that you get that homestead exemption filed. All the links will be in the description. Step 1. Go to your local county appraisal district website and print out the homestead exemption form. For those of you in the greater San Antonio and Austin area, check out the description below. I've already provided those links for the homestead exemption letters. Step 2, fill that baby out. If you have any questions about filling it out, instructions are on the last page. Don't forget to attach a copy of your ID for all of the owners on the property. Your ID must have this new address that you are filing the homestead on. Step 3, mail it in, or you can drop it off in person. Now, some counties these days have online portals. However, creating some of these accounts sometimes can be a bigger headache when you need the appraisal district's help to create the login and then they never answer the phone. In my case, I just went and dropped it off in person. If you want to know any more tips, tricks, and happenings in the real estate down here in the great state of Texas, don't forget to subscribe. For those of you looking to make a real estate move, I would love to assist you in your journey. Keep being the salt of the earth, friends. I firmly believe now more than ever that your community needs a positive outpour of you. Catch you next time.